Hello, I'm Carolyn Rosenblatt from agingparents.com and aginginvestor.com. I'm a registered nurse and elder law attorney. Our work helps families dealing with aging parents who are starting to decline in their mental abilities. And my husband and partner, Dr. Nicole Davis, is a psychologist who works with this problem too. You know, one of the questions that comes up quite often with families we see here is whether an aging parent has dementia and whether the parent should still be handling the family finances. Maybe it's dad who always handled the money, or it's mom who always kept the checkbook controlled. You know, there's no short answer to when, but we're going to talk about 3 warning signs that your aging parent should not be handling money any longer. Now, suppose you're the person whom your parent has appointed on the family trust or the durable power of attorney or both to take over when your parent can no longer do the job of safely handling finances. Well, you need to pay close attention to this because it can affect you. It may be time for you to begin your job of managing the finances for your parents. We're going to talk about just 3 of a number of warning signs telling you it's time for you to act. And they are memory loss, confusion, and unusual behavior. Memory loss is the first warning sign to know about. If your aging loved one has memory loss, is forgetful, and you've been ignoring that because you think, oh, well, she's just getting old, it would be best for you to look at that more closely. Memory loss is usually the first sign of developing dementia. It could be from other causes too, but it goes along with dementia and can show you the beginnings of this brain disease we call dementia. Take it seriously. It's a warning sign. Even if your parent doesn't have dementia but is forgetting to pay bills or maybe paying them twice or putting them in the wastebasket, it's time for you to step in now and offer to help. You want to be respectful when you ask and do it gently. It can feel threatening to an aging person to lose that independence about finances. Maybe they've taken pride in it, but you can help. All right, the second warning sign is confusion. Sometimes you may be explaining something to your parent or saying something really simple, and your aging parent isn't able to track it. Or you offer a choice of something, and your parent is baffled by what you're offering. Do you want A or B? Seems pretty basic to you, and your parent never seemed baffled before. They didn't have this kind of trouble before, but she just can't get it. Confusion over simple things that would usually not be confusing at all is another warning sign you need to pay attention to now. It may be another signal that it's time for you to step up and offer to take over managing that checkbook. All right, finally, the third warning sign, odd or unusual behavior. All right, I know you're thinking, my parents kind of wacky and they have unusual behavior all the time. Well, you know your parent. If he's always been fastidiously clean and now he's messy and unkempt, that's likely a sign that something is wrong. It could have several causes, and it may or may not be related to brain disease at all, but it is a signal that your aging parent is not paying attention, as he has always done, to appearance or housekeeping or the yard or the car, anything. That sort of neglect of what he usually has done is telling you something about him. Now let's say your mother's always been conservative about spending and suddenly she falls for some harebrained scheme she saw on the internet. You know, that's certainly a red flag for you. It's time to assert yourself, however gently you must do it, and begin to watch over your parents' finances more closely than ever before. Maybe you can partner up with them and help them with the checks. Maybe you'll be doing the checks by yourself. Maybe you'll be paying bills online. But you may need to take over, and soon. Please don't ignore these 3 warning signs: memory loss, confusion, and odd or unusual behavior. Your parent is susceptible to financial abuse, and it could happen if you wait rather than acting now. Now, are some parents going to resist your efforts to help them? Of course! It can be very tricky dealing with that resistance. We have a lot of experience here at agingparents.com in helping with this problem, and we can help you too. Just contact us at agingparents.com for an appointment, and we will offer you our professional advice and help. That's our video for today. Thanks for watching. I'm Carolyn Rosenblatt. Bye-bye now.